Hello, my name is Matthias. In this video, I will introduce you Luna Arctic, the perfect product to control natural graying process. Luna Arctic is a beautiful pre-grade color where Nordic durability meets modern striking design. Luna Arctic products provides an instant pre-grade finish that develops beautifully over time. The secret of the finishing is that on the weather-exposed surface it will fade away while remaining vibrant on the shadier, more protected areas. And best of all, Luna Arctic doesn't require any maintenance, which means it is a completely carefree solution. Luna Arctic is made from responsibly sourced Nordic pine and spruce, thermally modified for exceptional durability and stability. Its brushed surface and beautiful pre-grade finish gives exterior, interior and sauna projects a timeless weathered look from the day one. To provide the same Arctic tone for the splitted edges and the saw ends, we have tested international color codes to match the surface of Luna Arctic. These colors can be tinted to any acrylic-based paint suitable for timber products. Let's try. In outdoor applications, the UV radiation of the sun will also blend the splitted edges to the surface of Luna Arctic.